Hey horse! Hey horse, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with two bad bitches, Kendrick and Priscilla.
Hi.
So, today's video we're gonna do a Korean style mukbang. Not the dog, just the food.
Oh, so we're going there.
Or Kendrick, do you wanna say what we have?
Alright, so I got pork belly right here. I got some beef bulgogi and ribeye, kimchi and fish cakes,
Oh, I was wondering what that
and soju. So,
That's the
Then we
best part.
Our rice is right here.
Feed me.
Ooh.
Oh my god, what? Jesus. No. We have two Pisces and a Sagittarius. I'm the best.
Pisces are the best.
No, you guys are psycho.
No, I'm the
You're a
good
psycho and you're a good Pisces.
I'm the good Pisces.
You're a nice one.
How am I a psycho? I wanna know how am I a psycho.
Cause you're a bitch. Imagine. That's how. Cause how do you explain Mondo?
She's bipolar.
She's crazy. She don't care. She trying to.
I don't think I'm.
You're always trying to fight. You're always trying to fight us. And we just.
You're trying to fight me all the time.
You started. I feel like we bicker like 24/7. Well,
We bicker like we're a married couple.
We fight and then we won't talk for a couple of days and then.
But
like,
not really anymore.
No, yeah, we're
Before-
gotten better.
Before we used to like
Fight back.
get mad at each other and not talk for 2 straight,
Like weeks.
like
We
two
don't
like
talk.
a week,
We
and
don't-
then we just like get back and be like, "Hey, are you
Hey.
so mad?" Or
Oh my god.
Like you just call. He'll call me and be like, "Are you still mad at me?" Yes, bitch. But then like
But
we're
then
fine.
like I feel like with her you just need to give her time, and then
Yeah.
like if she ever gets mad, then you just like
I never hold grudges
But
with
who's
either.
always the one starting the fight? You?
I don't know.
Mondo's the one. He's always just like says some
So I
shit
said,
to make
like-
me mad. He likes to get me upset, and I don't get angry a lot. And he
No, I
like,
think I say something to like
He just likes
I don't know.
to get a rise out of you.
yes, literally, I'm never Coachella. Like I wanted Coachella. You were evil.
Wait, when was like
Our first Coachella. You were evil.
Wait, what happened?
When did you first Coachella? I forgot why you just decided that you were gonna talk to me or
Oh,
something.
I remember you guys fought at a Lennium set.
We fought the entire weekend. We didn't speak to each other.
Wait, really? We fought in the set?
Yeah, and like we were like trying to
I literally
like pull you away from her because
Oh,
you were like
oopsie.
getting her so mad.
This is what happened. I forgot the entire weekend we weren't talking because he was just being like a sassy bitch. And then I just wasn't like, my whole plan was to like not give him my reaction, that's what he wanted. But then at a Millennium set, I don't know, what did you tell me? I think you were just like in my face and I literally exploded.
really?
Yes, I literally exploded on you. Like people were watching us and like going crazy and I was just like, get the fuck, you know, being extra. And then after we were like, okay, I'm fine.
And then
Literally
after
the
we're
next
fine?
second, I let it out and I was like, okay, we're fine again.
I think we just needed to let it out.
Yeah, because it's your fault. I'm very nice. I'm the nicest person ever. Everyone loves me.
Right.
I have fans.
Right.
My meet and greet's right after this, so.
Yeah. We have to get ready for our meeting greet after.
It's a free one though. I felt like doing charity.
Okay, next year dragon.
She's happy one in Miami.
I know it's
I can't do
free.
that. Maybe I can't do
Are you going?
chopsticks. We need to go to Miami. Have a Miami lit weekend.
Like SF, that was fun.
I wouldn't have been.
You were.
SF, when we went last year?
Oh, that was so cool. Oh my god. I thought we were gonna die. Explain.
No, okay, so
and we missed our flight. Remember?
It was a fun time. So this bitch is cheap.
okay, you're cheap too.
Yes.
We're all cheap.
No, but you're cheap. Like, no, you're smart cheap. Like, you're not
Yeah,
like bad
I'm like
cheap.
smart
You're
cheap.
like that like coupon girl that like, what do they call it?
Like deals, like
You're like the deal queen. Like you'd be like Groupon. You have like all the coupons, whatever.
He's the one that cuts out the coupons from the mail. Like what they
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
You're prepared. And like us, I feel like you're very just like, fuck it.
like go with the flow.
You don't
Yeah.
care. You're just like, he's like, I don't see a price.
you
Sign.
guys plan it.
I'll see a price,
I
credit
don't
card.
see, exactly. Oh yeah. This boy has like 30 credit cards, first of all.
Don't expose my account.
My money issue. You have like 40 million. No, but yeah, he's just like really good at saving. And we got this like, how much was this hotel the entire weekend, honestly?
How
Like,
much was it?
I don't know, maybe like $10 probably for 4 days. So imagine that price in that kind of hotel.
No, but the hotel was in San Francisco, like Tenderloin, and like it was our like first, or it was our first time, no?
It was our first time in San
Yeah.
Juan.
Yeah, so I didn't know anything about the Tenderloin or what the hell that meant, but it was a cheap hotel and it was by Union Square, so we're like, why not, you know?
Yeah.
So we go to this fucking hotel. We go to this hotel and it's literally like scary. Like you literally think you're about to get robbed.
Like I feel like we can have.
Well, actually, like one
like-
part was nice, but like
Like it was like I don't know.
when you get to like the street of our hotel, like that's when everyone was like
It's like
outside,
like two
homeless,
different
and-
worlds. Cause like our
Like-
street, it was like people were just out, like a lot of homeless people. Like it just looked like it was like a bad area. And then like you literally turn a block and it's like sunshine and rich people and it's like it was weird. It was like literally like black hubs and like sunshine. Not saying like we're rich or anything, but like you know.
But it's like you just don't feel safe, you know?
Yeah.
It's not the safest city.
But,
Or like part.
yeah. And then didn't you guys like walk around or like come home? And I was like, what?
Oh well, you left us early, like when we went to the club.
No,
Oh,
that
we-
time. No, didn't you guys go get food?
Oh yeah, I guess we were all hungry and there's a Carl's Jr. like down the block, but
yeah.
it was like 9 o'clock at night, so we literally left the hotel, we like walked so fast, like people are literally like playing dice or something, like on the streets, and me
Like
and
gambling
Yeah.
and playing dice. Or,
So then me and him literally like walked so fast, like, and then just try to wear like basic ass clothes so you don't try to get robbed. And then we got Carl's Jr. That thing was busy as hell. And we had to go back and then we just ate at our little hotel.
Then
like-
remember when we went back, we followed like a cop. Like,
Oh
You're
yeah,
all scared.
yeah, we legit followed a cop because we knew we were gonna be safe if we were to like to follow him back to our place.
There was literally like shit on the floor. You remember that?
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
remember? There was literally like poop
Wait,
like
wait.
on the sidewalk and there was like
A hard
two.
time.
Two I was like, damn, like y'all had to go. Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Toast.
Let's take a question from the audience.
One question.
Okay, so
I was
You
like,
over there in the back.
that's what Pepper Rock does, right? Oh, you with the blue shirt? What was your question? Oh, are you seeing anyone, Priscilla?
yeah. I was like, yes.
They want to know if you're seeing someone.
Yes, I am.
How'd you guys
off the
meet?
market. I.
Did you guys meet on Grindr or
Yes,
like,
we met on Grindr.
But she guessed.
We obviously met on Grindr. I have a penis. Just kidding. No, I met my person. Ew, gross. Talk about my person.
Yeah, we could just her person. We won't say names.
Yeah. No, I've known him since high school, but then we just like reconnected. I slid in the DMs, cause fuck it.
It's 2019.
2019.
Like,
Girls can do what they want.
Girls slide in the
Girls,
DMs.
I slid in the DMs. But I mean, he was adding me a lot and
It was like
quoting my tweets. Yeah.
Oh.
So it was kind of like a
Back and forth
like a
thing.
hinting like I like my tweet, like your
And
tweet,
I was always
my
like,
tweet.
when I was literally sending
Wait,
him,
wait, what?
I would like send his like tweets to you guys and be like, why is he not talking to me?
Oh yeah.
Never, he would like tweet a bunch of stuff, and I was like,
Back in the day,
I'm
yeah.
waiting.
Wouldn't you subtweet too, like
I would subtweet him.
like
And he would, like-
just message me already and he would just like it or something?
Yeah, he would like everything I tweeted. He knows. And then I sent him the DM.
But she
and
had the
then-
ball.
So why didn't he have the balls?
He literally said he was gonna DM me the next day, and I was like,
Really?
Bullshit.
Sure.
I remember I was at the
I
gym
won.
and you're like, bro, why did he not just
Remember
message
we were
me?
at, where were we? And we were getting alcohol, and he DM'd
Wait, at
me.
Walmart?
No,
Yeah, and I
wait.
was like, he DM'd me.
When
he
you lived
DM'd
at
me.
your other apartment.
Huh?
When you lived at the
Yeah,
other apartment,
we
we're at Walmart.
we were gonna go out that night.
Yeah, we got alcohol all in the back.
We were gonna go out. And then he literally DM'd me.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were all
He
there.
didn't
I
invite
told
you.
all of you.
Yeah, you were
I literally
fine.
showed all of you. He finally DM'd me.
It was like me, you,
was a-
Victor, Tyre.
It was a very
Oh,
fun
we
moment.
just went to the tattoo shop.
Oh,
For what?
what?
We just went to
Oh,
the
that
tattoo
day?
shop, right? It was that day.
No.
Was it? I wasn't.
Because we went
Oh,
out that
I
night.
knew it
We went
was.
out that night.
Did we say we did?
Because it was in February,
Did we
right?
say, did we say we did?
No.
You, the girl in the red. Oh,
The one with
she
the
said she wants to
microphone.
know how you and your person met.
Oh,
Oh,
me and
sorry.
my person.
On Facebook, right?
Well, such a love
It
story.
was on Facebook. It was on Facebook.
Oh.
On your Facebook.
No, he
Remember,
played
remember you
me.
told us it was on Facebook.
Oh, I don't know why I liked it.
He liked it.
He was-
Everyone liked it. Everyone.
Aw.
Like,
Why
oh,
did I lie?
we met off Facebook.
And I don't even fucking use Facebook, like, what the fuck?
Spill the tea, sis.
I don't know why
Spill
I
the
lied.
caffeine, sis.
But,
Spill the
I
caffeine.
Be
met,
honest.
well, my boyfriend, what do you say?
What?
I mean,
Well, I already
what?
said it. By the
I mean,
way.
yeah.
Well, I met
Y'all
my
are living
person-
together. You can say his name.
I met my person on a hookup app. Well, dating app. We don't say
Dating app.
dating app.
We don't say hookup.
But we all know it's for.
Um,
Aww.
I think he actually like
Wait,
said
wait.
hey first.
Wait, he messaged you or you messaged him?
He messaged me. Like he was like, hey, you know like how it goes, hey, like whatever.
Like, just, hey,
Hey, your face.
Then like, oh,
Wait, I mean, was your face on there?
yeah. I don't know, well like, cause you know how usually like in those apps it's just like a torso pic. I actually put my whole face and like smiling and shit, like
How
looking for.
cute. You should have been on like Christian's 101 or something.
You went to like Christian
Mingle. Christian Mingle.
Let me go find a Christian.
I'm forever single. She's gonna be my surrogate, and I'm just gonna be a single father.
I'm gonna carry all their babies. I've already
And
decided.
she's getting paid $0.
Because I want that
I know.
coin.
I don't want a fucking party.
Those days are done.
Those days are done. It's just
Our wild days are over.
I don't know how. So.
Someone please cuff him.
No.
You know all the stuff. Slide in the DMs.
Do you remember like when did we all start like hanging out? Like what was the reason?
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the
I had a
reason?
reason.
What was the reason?
Well, remember,
reason.
remember we started
What was it?
because our group name on our messages is drunk. Because we were the only ones who wanted to go out to like the like EDM club and
Oh,
stuff.
that's how we really
Because-
started going
yeah,
out.
because that's how it was
Wow.
like us three were like we got super close because nobody else wanted to go.
It was
just
always us three.
And then we were like, fuck it, you know, let's just go.
We used to literally go out like fucking Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Or any night I'm saying, like,
And
go
we used to
out.
remember we used to go to all the brownie events and then like
Yeah, Brownie's
other ones.
Lemonade or Waste. No, not Waste, it's Brownie's Lemonade.
Well, before wasted.
Yeah. We literally would just go to like any little like underground event that there was and we wouldn't just like go like chill. Like we would go and get drunk and die.
I licked it. I licked it.
What is that one thing? It's like you're thicker than a sneaker? Or
Thicker than a bowl of oatmeal?
thicker
Oh,
than
yeah,
a
yeah,
oatmeal!
oatmeal.
Yes.
That oatmeal bar water as fuck.
Shit.
They have a question.
Oh yeah,
They
yeah.
have a question, bitch. You.
You
The Michael Kors.
Yeah.
That's how it's me.
Okay, good.
I'm just kidding. Or I swear. I swear.
Oh wait. Let's see. Wait, what about that one? The blonde one, maybe? Or the
Let's give her a chance.
I can kind of see her track.
Wait, what's her question? Oh, okay. Okay, so she asked, if by the time, like, she asked, what was that again?
Can you speak
Can you
louder?
speak up?
Okay, she asked, do you see yourself where you were at, like, this age? Like, you know how you plan for the future?
We're gonna get
like,
deep.
at 25, I wanted to be. Are you at where you wanted to be at this age?
Kendrick?
Yeah, she said Kendrick go first.
Kendrick, they want to know.
Well, if we're being honest, well, I mean, I feel like no. Well, because like,
But I feel like that's everyone, right?
That's everyone. Like,
Because remember there was people in high school, they were like, I want to have a baby and I want to be married by 23 and this and that.
23. Well, too young.
I feel like in high school they said stuff like that.
But like, probably. I mean, I would say no because like, I would like probably think I'll be done with school by now, but no.
Yeah, I'll say.
But I mean,
Exactly wrong. Imagine.
everything happens for a reason, so it'll get done eventually. So.
Preach. So, yeah. I'm not where I want to be. And I've decided it's fine. Just like, take
We
your
all
time.
have our own
Things
path.
happen.
We have our own
Like,
path.
as me personally, I'm indecisive as fuck with what I want to do.
Same.
And I
I'm
changed it. Like, I've changed
I
my
literally-
major so many
Same.
times. And like, I just, like, yeah, people are
one
gonna
day
be
you want to
ahead.
wake up, be a stripper, the next day you want to be a doctor. Like,
You know?
you just don't know. Be
Yeah.
a bad
I would
bitch
say it's
yourself.
bad. I'm saying just, you'll get there when you get there. And if you are there, congrats. But don't like let
I'll
things,
see you there later.
don't let social
Point blank
media affect
period.
you. 'Cause
What?
I said don't let, what bitch?
I said point blank period.
Oh, period. I never say that shit.
Do you still dance?
No, no.
Oh,
Do you still
both?
twerk?
I don't know.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Oh yeah, mom was a
Whenever,
dance.
Oh,
whenever my
Are you
client
still on the
wants to.
team? Or
Oh yeah, you're on this too?
It's not a team. What is it?
Are
A
you
competitive team.
He's on a
not
competitive
right-
dance team.
Not for the summer, yeah.
Oh. We have a
Sorry.
talented one here.
We used to dance too.
High school? What?
Used to be like, you used like do
I
like,
was the best one. Just kidding.
and she used to do like color guard, like the flags and shit with the
Don't
dance.
expose me! Don't expose my color guard days.
You gonna cook that?
I mean, it was only good when
Okay.
she caught it.
No, wait.
I was so
wait,
good at color
wait,
guard.
wait. Do you guys remember in high school, like, I think the best thing was in the rallies, like, whenever they dropped their fucking...
Everyone got excited.
Yeah, whenever they
Yeah.
dropped the gun, everyone got excited.
Everyone wanted us to drop our shit. It's fine.
No, but...
No, there was a one rally when
Did
we
you guys know
dropped.
that?
Yo, like obviously
No,
everyone.
everyone waits for like.
No.
You're just like everyone's in the crowd like drop it. Everyone, even me, if I was one of people, I'd be like drop.
Really?
Yeah, when I go to like shows, kind of fucked up, but I'd be like drop it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna end it here because we are full. But don't forget to, you guys want to say it? Like,
Oh shit.
to like,
Don't
like,
forget to
comment, subscribe, bitch.
down below.
What did they say? Smash that. What did
no, don't say that.
You don't
Smash the
think I say
like button.
that?
That's so...
Smash the like button.
That's so nasty. But yeah, if you want to follow us on our social medias, mine's mandoulysses for Twitter and Instagram. My Snapchat's it's Mando with 2 O's. Hers is Priscilla Killa, 3 A's. You can just find it that way. And then he doesn't use his social media, so
He's an old man.
You'll see me in their Snapchat.
you'll see him in our
You'll see
Snapchat.
us in Wild
But it'll also be linked down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much again. And if you like this video, comment down below and we'll do another mukbangs because a bitch loves to eat.
Or
so.
for annoying, sorry.
Yeah, we're
We're
annoying.
annoying.
Tell us,
We
in the
get it.
tell us in the comments. I still want to know.
This is our first time. Please don't judge us.
Yeah,
We're new
this
to
is like
We're new to this.
we're virgins.
Let's get it.
Bye.
Bye.
Awkward.